Yo boys, before this video starts, if you would like the chance of winning a 10 coin promo on Rain, all you have to do is comment your Discord name and like this video. Now we're gonna draw two people from last video. First off, it's Ette. Second one is going to be Doodleman again. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We're once again back on rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with, and before we get into the video, if you would like to play on Rain yourself, don't forget to head over to deposits, use code Vaulty and apply. If you do so, you get a 5% deposit bonus, and you will also join our 600 coin weekly leaderboard. So yeah, don't miss that out. Let's get straight into the video. I think we're gonna start off with doing some cooks actually. Let's try with this one. So if you boys want to do it, you can create cooks on Rain and just name them Vaulty, and I will open them in videos. So yes, very nice. Now we want some spins here, but nothing so far. Okay, that's a double spin. Nice. Imagine 2 karambits now. I want to see 2 karambits, at least one. Go down. Double shotgun. That's so ass. We need a hit in this one, on the bottom. I mean, okay. We're not gonna have any percentage. 25 percentage. No, 33, yeah. Stop. How much is that? Okay, come on. Blue now. Blue. That's us. Nice. Nice start. That's like 300 each. Nice. Now we're already up to 800 coins. Vaulty's profit machine. I mean, go down. No. This one is pretty risky and expensive as well. Okay, that's good. That's good. Now give us the AK on the top. AK Asimov as well. I mean, AWP is alright. Not so good. 150. We need more hits than this. Okay, that's really good. That's really good. Now, please, AK X-ray here. Give us an AK X-ray here. Okay, it's an X-ray, but it's not the best one. We'll still take it. Now, the guy on bottom left needs to hit. Please, bot number 5, can you hit in the last case? Hit in the last case on bot 5. No. Okay. We have 60%. Nice, that's another win. Don't think it's so much profit though. 200. I mean, we'll take it. We're almost up to 1k. And boys, if you haven't missed it, or if you have missed it, I mean, we're live every single day on Kick as well, so don't miss that out. We're doing viewer callouts, tips, giveaways, everything, every single day. So go subscribe to the Kick as well. Let's see if this battle wants to start. Yes. Now we just need one 5% case to hit on the right. And then we can snipe it. Okay, so far it's not looking good at all. Scream, last case. Yeah, no hits at all. Can we at least get some money back? Nope. Stop on that, please. No! Why, man? Why? And we would have won as well. Okay, let's upgrade this. 5x. That's a hit. That's money back. Nice. Or is it? Is it? Stop. Okay, nice. We still made money by doing that. So that's really good. Let's do this. 156 coins. 3 versus 3. Crazy jackpot. Rainbot 1 in enemy team is usually a really good sign. So can he hit on the 1% case in the end? Okay. Stop. Oh, okay, caveman. Come on, caveman. Okay, it's up to the 1% case. Imagine if this hits. Hit anywhere now, please. No, of course not. It was one off. And we lost this as well. I just want a nice cash out. Okay, that's good for the percentage. No 1% there. Okay. It's gonna be a 50-50 now. Be something good, be something good. Give us a gold. No, AK would have been so much better. Last case. Nah. Can we at least win this? Yes, we can. It's some money back. Let's do 69.39 coins. Let's do a 5x in the meantime down here. That's not a hit. Battle is starting. Okay, I mean decent start. No, actually shit start. Top guy needs to pull. Holy shit, that's bad. Nah, this guy needs to pull. Mystic. And that's ass as well. Holy shit, this is not even paying money back either. And we don't win. 100 coins, 5x. Let's go down here. And that's not hitting. We need to build this balance up. I want at least 800 before cashing out. Yeah, that's ass. That we wouldn't even want to watch it. Let's do this. 2 versus 2 regular jackpot. Rest of the coins we're gonna put here. 20x. Of course not. And now we're just gonna call the bots. All in battle. Please, we need this one. There's almost only risky cases as well in this battle. Yeah, that's bad. That's really bad for us. Don't be something crazy, please. Okay, that's fine. Still really expensive, but okay. Five cases, come on. No. And they get that as well. 3 cases left, come on. Oh my god. Yeah, this is looking so bad. Oh, we're getting fucked. Last case, please, come on. Yeah, no way. Fucking shit ass battle. Yeah, it's over, boys. It's over. You can't win them all, but I don't know what to say. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you would like to play on Rain yourself, don't forget to head over to deposit, use code Vaulty and apply. If you do so, you automatically join the 600 coin weekly leaderboard. And yes, we will see you boys in the next video.